This is lesson 9, practicing the subtraction algorithm. So you need to remember that an algorithm is the steps to solving a problem. So in this case, we're looking at the subtraction algorithm. So the first thing we do is we look at the ones column. Well, 4 take away 8, I can't do. If I hold up 4 fingers, I do not have enough fingers there to subtract 8 from, or to take 8 away from. So I need to borrow or regroup from the tens column. So I'm going to turn this 20 into 10, and I'm going to bring 10 over here. Now, 10 add 4 is 14. So now I'm taking 8 away from 14. I do this by holding up 10 fingers, counting off the 4 for 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then keep counting down, 5, 6, 7, 8. I now have 6. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here, and it is 10 take away 50, because remember this is the tens column. If you need to do this to make it make more sense to you, you can. Okay, but it is 10 taking away 50. I can't do that, so I need to regroup again. I'm going to come to the 5. The 5 is going to be turned into a 400 instead of a 500. I'm going to bring 100 over here. So this is technically now 110 take away 50. Okay, that's what's happening in this column right now. 110 take away 50. But if you need to look at it as 11 for it to make more sense, you can do that too. 11 take away 5 is 6. Okay, and again, you can do the finger method if you'd like, where you go from 10 fingers. You do the 1 for the one higher than 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I get 6. Okay, and now I have 4 or 400, take away nothing. So 4 comes down to the hundreds column, and I'm left with the answer 466. Okay, that is the algorithm. You start with the ones column. If you can't do that, you have to borrow from the tens column and continue onwards. But that is subtraction with multiple digits and regrouping or borrowing. Now, what I showed you was column method. You might also get questions like this in sentence form. Now, this is a number sentence, okay? What I showed you was column method. I would recommend turning all of sentence forms into column method to make your life easier. Okay, because if I'm trying to do it this way, I'm trying to coordinate and I might lose my place. If I just write it in column method, making sure that my ones line up and my tens line up and my hundreds and so on, it makes my life simpler, right? 9 take away 3 is 6. 1 take away 7, I can't do that. I need to regroup. 200 becomes 100. And I bring 100 over here, add it to the 10. Okay, this is now 110 because this is a 10. So 110 take away 70, okay, is, let's do it with the fingers. Okay, 110 would be the same as in our case 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gets me 4 or 40. Then 100 brought straight down, 146. Okay, remember that is the subtraction algorithm. Start in the ones column, move your way to the side. If you come across a number where you can't do the subtraction, you need to borrow or regroup from the closest number to the left. I'm just going to go over one more and then I will let you find the differences on yourself. So if I have the number 600, I'm taking away 123. Okay, this is going to be slightly different because we have zeros here. So 0 take away 3, I can't do. I don't have anything there. I can't borrow from 0, so I have to go all the way over to 6. Now remember how we do this. This is the hundreds, okay? So I'm borrowing from 6, and I am making this now 500, and that 100 came over here, okay? Now this is now the nines column, or tens column, okay? So this 100 that I've brought over, I'm changing to 90 because I'm taking 10 out of it to go to this column, which is now going to be 10. Okay, really important that you remember all your columns. 10 take away 3 is 7. 90 take away 20 is 70. 500 take away 1 is, or 500 take away 100 is 400. So you get 477. So remember, when you're doing your borrowing, you can't just skip this 0. You have to bring it over one step at a time, okay? I take 100 from here, put it in the tens column. I take 10 from the tens column, put it in the ones column, okay? Each step needs to be done. That's part of our algorithm. That is practicing the subtraction algorithm, lesson 9, Saxon 5.